To celebrate new episodes from Stuck in the Middle Season 3, we've got 3 top 3s and an exclusive clip. First up, top 3 fantastic food moments. In third place, it's pamper time with Lewie and Beast.
How does your face feel?
Chunky.
All this work is making me hungry.
Me too.
You two are so nutty. Now don't invite Daphne to your birthday because she really takes the cake. No, she really does. Daphne is in at second place. Flying into first place, it's a full-scale food fight.
See you coming! Hit him with the chocolate syrup. Get him! Ketchup bomb.
It's like dodgeball with food.
Yeah!
Next top 3, it's Harley's top 3 inventions. In third place, Harley doesn't lose her cool with her snow machine.
Can you hook us up with a little more snow? Oops! Sudden flurry. Sorry.
Oh, that was cold, Harley. In second, cheating its way into the charts is...
The remote control golf ball.
Oh, that's sneaky, but that's still a hole-in-one. Buckle up and keep your arms and legs inside the clips at all times because in first, it's Harley's roller coaster. I think we all want one of these at home. Next up, it's Lewie, Daphne and Beast's top 3 moments. In third, Daphne's raising eyebrows.
How great is this? Looks like somebody got a visit from the eyebrow fairy.
Or not with this clip. In second place, Lewie and Beast take cage fighting to the next level.
We could be frog wrestling promoters.
I don't think that's froggy wrestling. That's froggy love.
And finally, in first place, it's the exclusive from the new episode you've been waiting for.
We have the button, and you're in the danger zone. Goodbye, brother.
It's time to teach bad people that they can't take advantage of good ones.
Wow, didn't see that one coming. For brand new episodes of Stuck in the Middle Season 3, stay tuned to Disney Channel.